Modular CRM allows businesses to pay for only the functionalities they require, saving costs compared to an all-in-one solution with features that might not be utilized. Is a modular CRM system the right fit for your business strategy? Discover 5 business types that can benefit from it. Leveraging 20 years of industry experience, JetSoftPro often recommends modular CRM systems for companies with specific business processes. If your sales process is custom, for example, a service is sold in unusual steps, then a modular CRM is a better solution. Using Modular CRM, you can start with essentials and seamlessly integrate more modules as your business expands. It is a practical approach to growth, adaptable to your needs. If your organization values customization and seeks a CRM system aligned with your unique processes, it can find modular solutions ideal. Collecting a set of necessary modules to meet specific business requirements is always beneficial. If your business operates on a project-based model, like consulting firms or marketing agencies, it can benefit from modular CRM systems. Choose modules supporting project management, time tracking, and collaboration. In general, businesses with atypical processes choose modular CRM systems to have more customization options. Sometimes there aren't enough options to tailor the modular CRM to your process. In that case, you should consider open-source modular CRM systems, which can be rebuilt to fit any process with a high level of detail. Here are some of them. Odoo, with its modular and integrated approach, suits businesses looking for a comprehensive solution covering various aspects like sales, inventory, and accounting. SuiteCRM is ideal for businesses focusing primarily on CRM functionalities and requiring a dedicated set of tools for customer relationship management. At JetSoftPro, we're always ready to help you customize your selected CRM system or develop your own. Book a consultation now.